you're gonna make a drink with cotton candy in it?
Yeah.
I don't think I ever heard of that.
Yep. We do a lot of shit you ain't never heard of, bro. And I got 2 kinds from Amazon too. This is so whack looking.
It's bar chemistry, baby.
Today on MIXTROLOGY, we are f***ing with some annoying ass people. And I only say that because y'all really be relentless on TikTok. I could hold a grudge and I could say y'all was harassing me for quite a minute there, but I'll give it to you anyway. Today we're f***ing with the Libra. Okay, so boom bam. Libra are the scales, right? So it's like they're all about balance and diplomacy, but they're also social and flirty. So when I think of flirty, I don't know why I think of cotton candy. Like this should just be flirting with me. Like it's just smooth with it. Like, hey baby, how you doing? Like it just knows how to talk to you. Like so this is it for any of you wondering why the I took so long to do these. Like I was waiting for ingredients. All right, I went to 17 stores to find cotton candy, and not a single one of them had it. So I had to order this shit off Amazon. I don't know why I didn't think of that in the first place. Maybe I didn't realize I could order cotton candy off of Amazon. But it's here now. So cotton candy. 2 colors, balance. Libras also like the finer things in life. So I went with some champagne. This is prosecco though, because I'm actually cheap. So I didn't buy any expensive champagne. But just pretend it's champagne. And if you remake it, you use champagne. This is gin, and we're gonna model this drink after the French 75. So this is an elderflower liqueur and gin. Those are gonna be our liquors. Let's get it started. All right, 3/4 ounces of gin, just because. Now everything is gonna be 3/4 ounces in this because Libras are about balance. 3/4 ounces of elderflower liqueur because Libras love to be flirty, and elderflower liqueur just sounds so flirty, don't it? And if you don't think so, shut up. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. Bag of ice, because I'm stupid and I don't make ice. Scoop it with your hand right into the shaker. The hand adds necessary flavors that you will want in there. Oh, this has the gin. But anyways, we're gonna give that a nice pounding. Okay, strain it into a martini glass, not a champagne flute. Notice how there's mad room left for the finer things that the Libra enjoys. A little bubbly. Oh, that was so anticlimactic. But anyways, a little bit of champagne, or if you're cheap, prosecco. For the garnish, we have 2 types of cotton candy. I don't know about you, but cotton candy seems pretty flirty to me. Just look at them. They're just flirting the whole time. Like I can't keep them away from each other. And I got 2 kinds because you know, it's a Libra. This is really sticky. Okay, and there it is. The Libra. Oh no, it's melting. You see it melting?
Yeah.
This is some low quality ass cotton candy, by the way. I highly do not recommend you buy cotton candy on Amazon. Let me cover that area up. And there it is. We have the Libra. Notice the 2-tone. Notice the champagne, the bubbly, the equal parts of everything. Diplomatic, flirty, social, and balance. If you like these MIXTROLOGY videos, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, I f***ed up already. Okay.
It was graceful.
I wish we caught that. And then that's it. And then that's it.